Cleaning the house, a simple guide to a common phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and everyday English phrase, cleaning the house. This might seem straightforward, but there's a lot to unpack in these 3 words, especially for English language learners. Understanding this phrase can help you in both daily conversations and in recognizing the cultural importance of cleanliness in English-speaking countries. Let's get started. Cleaning the house refers to the process of tidying, organizing, and removing dirt or mess from one's living space. This can include a variety of tasks, such as sweeping, mopping, dusting, and decluttering. The phrase encapsulates the idea of making a home clean and comfortable. Cleaning the house isn't just about making things look nice. It's about creating a healthy and pleasant environment. Here are some common tasks involved. Sweeping, using a broom to clean the floors. Mopping, wet cleaning the floors to remove dirt and stains. Dusting, removing dust from surfaces like furniture, shelves, and electronics. Decluttering, organizing items and getting rid of things you no longer need or use. Each of these tasks contributes to the overall cleanliness and orderliness of the home. In many English-speaking cultures, cleaning the house is not just about hygiene. It's also about taking pride in one's living space and showing respect for oneself and visitors. It's common for people to clean their homes regularly and even more thoroughly before special occasions or the arrival of guests. I hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of cleaning the house. Remember, understanding such phrases is not just about the words themselves, but also the practices and values they represent in English-speaking cultures. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning! Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.